Hey, Resto-Rob here, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna work on a project that I found. We're gonna work on this footprint style, or this footprint brand pipe wrench, this little mini one. So yeah, we're gonna work on this one today. It's footprint time. Footprint time. So here's the footprint I just found, and let's clean this up today. What do you think? So here's the thumb screw. We got this pivot point, or we got this portion with little and then we've got this portion which needs to be cleaned out pretty bad. So we'll take this over and put it in the Evapor-Rust, and we shall return. So post Evapor-Rust wasn't in there for very long. So let's run it through the wire wheel, see what we can do. Post wire brush. I need to get in there. And we're calling this project done. So here is our recently restored footprint, and here's the big brother. So the top is 6 inches and the bottom is 9 inches. The bottom one came from Nash Rathbone. Thank you so much. Hopefully I have made these footprint wrenches to your liking. I had a good time. These are pretty cool, so I'm pretty happy with the way they came out. I just repolished the bottom one that Nash gave me a while back. But other than that, cool. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed that restoration of that footprint wrench. I enjoyed doing it. It is smooth, smooth, smooth. Yeah. So, hopefully, you guys all stay safe, and we'll check you later.